Hello guys, welcome back to Braysh Gaming today. And today, as you've probably seen in the thumbnail already, we have a special guest today. And no, it's not our usual special guest. He is taking a day off. Actually, he's around somewhere, but he's not going to be specifically in the video. Instead of pug pulls, I guess you could say we're doing Pika pulls today, because we've got the new Hello Pika from Tomy, the talking... He said walking and talking. It's not walking, it's just a talking Pikachu. And I didn't really think about this when I bought it. Do I have to talk to it in Japanese? I don't know. I think it needs two AAA batteries, AAA, so I've got those here. We're going to do this together. We're going to do it from scratch. We're going to open up the box together and go through it together and be confused together. And that's what we want to do. At the same time, we're going to have Pikachu here, and we're going to have our box of Terrorizes to open. So plenty going on in this video. I hope you can keep up. If you're not already in shock that I've uploaded 2 videos in 1 week. Right, because I am. I'm in shock. But yes, hello Pika. How are you today? I'm practicing my Japanese. Konnichiwa, hello. Gonna open this up. Okay, open up the Pikachu. Right. Now, I can also ask it if it understands English. Eigo ga wakarimasu ka? What else do I know? I don't know much Japanese. You get through, you can manage on like 4 words when you go to Japan, which is konnichiwa, you say arigato, which is thank you, sumimasen, which is like excuse me, and I think that's it actually. I think 3 will do you if you ever go to Japan. The people there are so helpful. Hello Pika, alright, that can go there. Here he is. Oh no, I've taken away your living room. Oh, okay, here's the instructions. We have to sort of put the batteries underneath, so we'll pop him out. You gonna pop out, Pika? Hello, Pika. Pop out, Pika. I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break the Pikachu. Oh no, I also need a screwdriver. I can get a screwdriver, 1 second. And we're back. We got a screwdriver now. Okay, that was a mistake. I sort of messed up there. I'm still trying to get Pikachu out of his plastic wrapping. Maybe sort of doing this. Oh, come on, Pikachu. You can do it, buddy. Ah, oh, Pikachu, you are not easy. Right, Pikachu is here. Batteries are going in now. This is. I did say I wanted to do this together, guys. I wanted to do this from scratch, you know. You didn't just want to turn up and see it working. You want to know how it works. This looks really odd. I'm not gonna lie. Looks a little bit odd. Come on, we're a team. We can do this together, right? I think we're nearly there. And get my batteries in. Okay, got the screw off there. Let's put the batteries in. So. Okay. Right. Am I expecting... Oh no, there is an off and on button. There is an off and on button, so he's not going to jump into life straight away. Which would have been slightly entertaining. Okay, Pikachu. Let's screw you back up, buddy. Hey, Pikachu. This is... So... Everyone looking forward to SM8? That's gonna be good, alright? I am Lugia. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. I really want to see what's in this box of Terrorizes though. Last time we pulled the Ninetales, which is really cool, the full out Ninetales. I don't know what I've done with that, it's somewhere. But yes, okay, I think we're done. We are ready. We are ready to turn on the Pikachu and to start the Terrorizes box opening today. Let's have a go. Pikachu, go. Oh. 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 Pikachu. Hey, buddy, how's it go? Yeah. Oh, whoa, this is kind of creepy. He's looking at me funny. Set you down over there, Pikachu. Okay, you stay there. Whoa! Calm down, Pikachu. It's really angry. Oh my god, this is like the angriest Pikachu I've ever seen. Calm down. Calm down. Can I open my box now? Okay, I won't open it. Okay, I think if we whisper, we can get away with it if we whisper. I'm just gonna open this box. Rudy is really interested. Oh. Why have I got the angriest Pikachu? What's that, Pikachu? What are you doing? Get down, Rudy. I don't know. Right. He seems to have calmed down slowly. Maybe it's the Ash effect where he hates me at first and then goes on to be my best friend. Is that right, Pikachu? Konnichiwa. That's... Oh, Jesus. I'm really stressed. I don't know about you guys. I'm so stressed. Rudy, what do you reckon? Rudy is... You see Rudy? Rudy, what do you reckon? Pikachu. First pack of Terrorizes, a brand new box. Pikachu, Pikachu. First pack, come on then. Let's see if we can get that hyper rare Ninetales. This was a bad idea. Sableye, Trico, a Alolan Vulpix, and a Configurus. Morty, shut up. I'm so sorry. This is such a bad idea. Jigglypuff, Litwick, Curlier, and Tapu Lele holo card. Peekaboo. Oh, was that like the Pokemon? Did you hear that? It went, I think it was like the Pokemon Center theme when you heal your Pokemon. You singing to me? You are? Pikachu, Pikachu. Pikachu, Pikachu. Right. Calm down, Pikachu. It's only a netball. I know you don't like the balls, Pikachu. This is a terrible idea. Right, Carbink, Combi, Ralts, and a Alolan Ninetales GX again. So we've had Alolan Ninetales GX in... Let me speak, Pikachu. In every one of our boxes, we've had Alolan Ninetales GX. That is correct. We're yet to see a Sigilyph at all. I'm due a full art Sigilyph, that's for sure. My two full arts so far have been Sceptile and then the Ninetales. I'd love the Mimikyu, Wurmple, Kecleon, Lampent, and Shedinja. Beautifly. It's growing on me. It's not. In both of our previous two boxes, we have had one of each Prism Star. So we've had Xerneas and Life Forest. Whatever we pull will be a double Show Some Respect Pikachu. We have a Holo Giratina. Shush. It's very important. Terrorizes box opening. What are you doing? Whoa! What? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? I'm scared. I'm really scared. Okay. Pikachu never made these noises in the anime. Eigo ga wakarimasu ka? You do understand English, well that's good to know. Watashi wa Igirisu jin desu. From the UK. Yeah. Morlo, Silcoon, and a Hollow Shaman Hollow. Yes, Shaman Hollow. Let's pick up the pace a bit. We've got an Ultra Rare to find. We've got a Prism Star to find. We've got 2 more GXs to find. Alright, calm down. Combi, Yamask, Wigglytuff, Morty and Mina in this set do come as full art trainer cards. I tell you what I haven't had for a while. Is a secret rare. That's correct. You're just repeating yourself, Pikachu. Trico, Dedenne, a Alolan Vulpix, and a Tangrowth, Fairy Charm with fighting. Rudy, what are you doing? Rudy's behind me. He seems to have lost a bit of interest, which is kind of decent. Right. Nincada, Carbink, Litwick, and a Prism Star card. Pikachu, we've got a Prism Star card, buddy. What do you think to that? That's a happiness sign. I think that's a sign of happiness. Singing to me. Our Prism Star, we are doubling up on the Xerneas Prism Star. Very happy with that. See that? Pikachu, like when you heal your Pokemon in the Pokemon Center. Yeah, we get it. We get it. Should only put 1 battery in you. 2 batteries is too much for you. You're like a naughty child. This is the first and last time you're going to be in a video. You like that? Okay. Whoa! So angry. I love you, Pikachu. That was a new one. We're nearly halfway through our box. Yeah, I know, nearly halfway through. It's very sad, upsetting. Wurmple, Sableye, Ninjask, and... You don't like the Ninjask? What about the Chandelure? Excellent artwork on the Chandelure. Excellent artwork on the Chandelure. Pikachu? Pika? 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 Help me. Jigglypuff, Kecleon, Combi, and a Gravol and a Netball. Pikachu. Yeah, Netball. I wonder if you can actually say stuff to it and it will respond like in an appropriate manner. That would be interesting. We have a holo card in this one. It's all going mental. Lampent, Shiinotic, Tangrowth, and a Tapu Fini. You don't like Tapu Fini, Pikachu? Oh, you do like Tapu Fini. So I tried to balance it on his head. He's having none of it. Pika? Pika? Second half of the box, guys. No Ultra Rare, 1 GX. So much left to find. Come on. Vespiquen, Cutiefly, Tangrowth, Fairy Charm, Meloetta, What do you reckon, Rudy? You don't like that at all, do you? Now start throwing these packs on your head, buddy. So my last video was a Pugspool video with Rudy. You might enjoy it if you like dogs and you like Pokemon cards. It's got everything for you. And we have a Shaman holo card. Morty. This is... it's growing on me. Rolls, Sublight, Jigglypuff, and a Grovar, and a Netball. Pika, Pikachu. I like it when you do that. That scares the so much out of me. That was close. Hello to all my kids watching. Nice. Thank you for joining me. Combi, Morlo, Ninkata, and it's a holo Giratina, Wigglytuff, Pikachu, Pikachu. Oh, this is so stressful. That's nice. Geonotic, Lampent, Adventuring Satchel, Beautifly, and Configurious. Slightly stressed. I need a good pull. Rudy's barking as well. It's all going off. Trico, Yamask, Mimikyu GX. So I got Mimikyu GX and Ninetales GX. Am I on for a third box without Sigilyph GX? Pikachu says no. I think we could be. We're a That's a definite no from Pikachu. He thinks we're going to get a Sigilyph somewhere. Maybe he knows something I don't. It would sum this video up if I got that full art Sigilyph. Wouldn't it, Pikachu? Yeah. Litwick, Wurmple, and a Shedinja. Shedinja! I know, buddy. It's so sad. So we got one more GX to pull, guys. One ultra rare to find as well. Vulpix, Silcoon, Kecleon, Tapu Lele holo card, Meloetta. Come on. Come on. Here we go. We're down to our last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we've got 7 packs. We've got plenty of time to find it. Don't we, Pikachu? Yes? Calm down, mate. Seriously. Rocks, Tangela, Beautifly, and... oh, it's another Alolan Ninetales GX filler. That makes 2 for 2 in that respect. We got the exact same card last time. Didn't we, Pikachu? Yes, we did. So another great pull. No Sigilyph yet. Can we... where's my sleeves? I'm not prepared. I don't have sleeves with me. Pikachu, you can guard the Ninetales there. We've done well pulling another Alolan Ninetales GX filler. Looking at it, I thought it... I can't get a word in, can I? Ninjask, Morlo, Trico, Chandelure. Please stop, Pikachu. Whoa, mate, that's serious anger issues. Oh my god, so aggressive. Okay. Right, not many packs left. One more GX to go. This could be box number 3 without a Sigilyph, which would be completely against my run of luck. Beautifly, we need to see that Sceptile. Yamask, Ninkata, Dragon, Fairy Charm. 3 packs left to go, Pikachu. Morlo, Trico, Venturing Satchel, Sceptile GX. No Sigilyph for the 3rd box in a row. Sceptile GX can go down there. Wow. We've avoided the dud card. 3 boxes in a row. We've not seen Sigilyph at all. Wow, my luck's going to run out for SMA, isn't it? Nothing in this pack here. Ninetales has been knocked down by Pikachu. A Holo Gardevoir. I'm stressed. Holo cards from SM7B Fairy Rise. Gardevoir. Chandelier. Tapu Lele. Giratina. Shaman. Tapu. Finny. Chandelier. Shaman. Giratina. Tapu Lele. GX cards. The same 3 GX cards in every box we've had so far. Mimikyu GX, Alolan Ninetales GX, and Sceptile GX. Prism Star card today. The only thing that was different from the last box, we got Xerneas Prism Star today. And I've dropped it on the floor. We have our Alolan Ninetales GX. I'm going for a lie down now. This has been Braysh Gaming. Hit that subscribe button. That'd be good. Thank you for watching today. Anything you'd like to say, Pikachu? Before we sign out? Anything you'd like to say, buddy? And on that harrowing note, it's time to go. Arigato, Pikachu. I'll see you guys again next time.